Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're starting this two-car garage with baseboards in Weeki Wachee. So this customer did want the optional baseboard, and as you can see, they're really rough condition. So right now we're doing the grinding. We're concerning ourselves with that, but we do have to address these baseboards. They're obviously going to take a lot of repair, get them just right, or as right as we can make them. So after we get this ground off, we're going to find voids, etc. There's a lot of loose material there. You can see over here the mortar is really loose and rough. So we're going to have to fix that before we actually put the baseboards in. We are going to fill the cut lines, and this will be a seamless floor. Okay, our grind, prep, and repairs are done. This is a two-car garage. It's going to get baseboards. See, we got a really good grind on this floor. We got rid of all the rough stuff. On the baseboard areas, filled the voids. We're all set up with thickened epoxy here so we could do the verticals. And once we get the verticals in, what we're going to do is we have our epoxy ready for the floor. As you can see, we filled the control joints. That's going to give us a seamless surface. It looks real nice. Got a good looking profile on this floor. We're all set up with our chips. We square it up, round it over the leaded edge. That looks real good. So we're going to put this floor in about 5 minutes. Okay, here's our finished job. Just finished putting the polyaspartic coat on top. Our two-car with baseboards. We had pretty rough baseboards when we got started. And we ground the back. Filled the voids. Here's some details around the fixture. So this was a full diamond grinding. We filled the control joints for a seamless surface. Industrial grade epoxy. Also did small repairs, and like I mentioned previously, we did a good amount of repairs to the baseboard area. We did square up and lead an edge. This color is Stonewash. So this polyaspartic is UV stable. It's very durable, scratch resistant. It's definitely the very last step. See how nice that top coat looks in the sun. Some more details with the baseboards. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.